New allegations from the U.S. Attorney's Office alleging Natalie Mayflower Sowers Edwards, an employee at the U.S. Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, leaked suspicious activity reports known as SARS about Paul Manafort, Rick Gates, the Russian embassy, Maria Butina, remember her, the Russian agent accused of infiltrating organizations with influence in American politics, and Prevezon Alexander, subsidiary of Prevezon Holdings, owned by a Russian-Israeli businessman.
The FBI assistant director in charge said the information on Manafort and others was leaked to the media. And the time of Edwards' arrest, she was in possession of a flash drive containing information specifically in question. There's a lot to go through. Joining us now is NBC News investigations reporter Tom Winter. All right, Tom, what do we know about these charges? And from our perspective, they sound pretty serious.
Yeah, so at the most, she could face up to 5 years for each of the charges that she's been hit with today. Yeah, that would be serious. And of course, anytime that you have secret information, so these suspicious activities reports, these SARs, are actually generated by banks. They're not generated by the Treasury Department. And then from there, that information is transmitted to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which is what you were referring to before. But it's all covered by the Bank Secrecy Act. So this information is never supposed to be disclosed to the public. And what this person is charged with today is disclosing this information, and based upon the court documents that we have, the criminal complaint that was filed by the FBI, all the stories that they referenced that were linked to the documents that she provided, all were published by BuzzFeed, which NBC Universal has invested in, our parent company. So they were essentially able to trace the disclosure of this information directly to articles that later appeared in BuzzFeed.
All right, also named as having information leaked about them is that company, Prevezon Alexander. Who are they?
Okay, so this was a case that goes back several years now, and this had to involve money coming into the United States. It was money that was received illegally, so it was a money laundering allegation that was brought here in the U.S. The same prosecuting office, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York, brought a case, and they were able to recoup a certain amount of funds that were run through New York City real estate, essentially. And so there was an article that was published 2 days ago that appears to be based off of information that, according to these charging documents, that was provided by Edwards to BuzzFeed, and that information came out literally 2 days ago, and it was about money that flowed through TD Bank here in New York. So this is a case that's been going on for some time, I've been told, and obviously led to an arrest today. She's going to appear in court here within the next hour or so.
All right, we'll stay on it. Thanks, Tom.
Sure.
Tom Winter. Hey, MSNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down there and click on any of the videos here to watch the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more MSNBC for free every day with our newsletters. Just visit msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up now.